Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? Now I'm talking about Father Mbaka. What he's passing through right now would have been avoided if he listened to the video I make concerning what the evil pastor and the mmiri gwọrọ ọgwụ wee na-achị nara ha ịnara ya members from adoration. Had he listened to that video and do exactly what that video said he should do at the end of the video, this wouldn't have been happening. And the people who keep on watching my video and keep saying all sorts of nonsense at the comments,
what do you have
you better
to say?
watch it.
Put it in the comment section.
You better
right,
watch it. You better watch it.
So like and comment.
I am not
subscribe
here
also, okay, guys,
for money or for subscribers or for anything. Rather, I'm here to open people's eyes to see what is going on in the spiritual realm.
Adoration Ministry,
Enugu,
Nigeria,
a lot
amen.
of people's
Iwe de fanopi,
and the good things that is going on with them. And you have to be extremely careful. And know that the devil is rolling like a rolling lion, seeking the rest of souls to devour. And when God is using me to open your eyes, you better listen and you better obey the will
out
of
of adoration.
God can message anybody. Father Mbaka is not Jesus, and he's not God. He can make mistakes, and God can always use people like me to give him a vision that he can take care of. If he do the vision very well, he accept it and he do the prayers, and nothing will happen.
So
this could have been stopped had he been he obeyed that vision.
Okay, guys,
yes,
for a new video
I said
coming up.